Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the environment where the resource group lives. Use the Azure portal or run as login so you're authenticated. Next, confirm you have owner or contributor rights because deletion requires permission. Once done, list the resource group's contents so you can see dependencies and any locks. This helps avoid surprises when you remove services. Make sure you've chosen the tool, portal, Azure CLI, or PowerShell, because the next steps follow that path precisely. Now perform the deletion. In Portal, open the resource group, click Delete Resource Group, type the name, and confirm. In CLI, use as group delete NMyRG yes, no wait to start it immediately. If PowerShell, run remove as resource group name MyRG force. Make sure to remove any management locks or delete nested resources that block deletion. Policies or role assignments can prevent removal. Watch operation status and wait until Azure reports success to avoid partial cleanup. Finally, verify the group is gone by checking the activity log and running as group show NMyRG, which should return not found. If deletion fails, inspect error messages. Common causes are resource locks, registered but missing resource providers, or policies preventing delete. You can remove locks with as resource lock delete or adjust policy assignments temporarily. Once dependencies are cleared, retry deletion. If needed, escalate to subscription admins because permission or policy changes might be.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.